Hello, guys. Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, Dasha. Welcome. So yeah, I don't know how to read your name. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. My weekend was nice, actually. A little bit cold in Florida. Last, I would say 5 days, but that's fine. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello. What is my insight today? Yeah, we are going to talk about this soon. Well, guys, my plan yesterday, actually I posted yesterday weekly analysis, and I was like, okay, I didn't see this price action. Obviously, I posted my analysis around like 2 p.m. yesterday, and I expect to get slightly lower. Obviously, expected to get equilibrium of Friday reach taken, and then I expect to get move all the way up. Where? To these levels. Actually, we opened above previous week high, above Friday high on both ES and NQ, and we just continue going up to all my levels. Okay, what I actually can expect with this move up? Let me hide my drawings right here. So yesterday, what I saw, if I want to measure from here to here, we kind of stuck at equilibrium, right? Equilibrium of this range on NQ. But if you want to look on ES, we already were in D premium, right? So at this point at D line, I would like to anticipate move above all-time high on ES, while on NQ, I don't want to see this. At this moment, I don't want to see NQ at all-time high, but I would like to see yes at all-time high. But why I would like to see this? Obviously, I can be wrong at this point. But what I would like to see, I would like to see an attempt to reach all-time high on ES, and on NQ, I would like to see a move somewhere to near the premium levels. For example, we have this standard deviation. If I want to measure it, it's not for our manipulation, like that's hourly manipulation, like right here. And if I want to look at this range between 2 and 2.5, we can see we got major buy side liquidity level. Why I would like to highlight this as major buy side liquidity level? It was London high from like 2 weeks ago. Why I decided to leave this level? Because we got SMT between ES and NQ. And I was like, okay, that means we are going to get major buy side liquidity at this level, since NQ failed to take this liquidity. So basically on ES, we got first body resist high frame equal highs. Obviously would like to keep my eyes on this level. And then maybe, but I'm not sure yet, we may take all-time high. On NQ, kind of not sure about all-time high yet, but we got daily fair value gap. We got this retracement area between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation of this 1 hour manipulation leg. So let's see. Let's see. Maybe, where is my? Maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. Honestly, not sure about this level, but I mean, I'm not sure about all-time high, but pretty sure about this high from equal highs. So yeah, we will see. It's pretty much bullish, so oops. got blue screen glasses. Hard to use them yet. I need to use. It was kind of orange screen if I want to use this blue screen glasses, so it's hard to use. So pretty much bullish right now. We will see what market wants to do right at the open. We're above New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. So yeah, we will see. Yeah, I hope to record a stat map video soon. I hope to get this. But if you want to keep look at this, let me by the way change. I don't need this, but I need this. Let's do 5-minute chart right here and 1-minute chart right here. So basically what I see right now, I'd like to change from 4-hour chart right here to weekly. Would like to open weekly right here. And here we go. So basically I only can see a minor manipulation right now. Once we got, on daily candle and weekly candle, then continuation higher. We already reached daily manipulation level and daily distribution level lines up with weekly manipulation level. So yeah, that's totally fine to see slightly higher. Let's see what levels we have. Oh, look at this, lines up with this 2 standard deviation of this hourly manipulation leg. Yeah, maybe we can go higher first. Somewhere right here. And honestly, I would like to wait for maybe 15-minute inversion for a value gap to play short. Kind of not ready to trust 1-minute chart. So this means maybe it wants to do something like this, 15-minute inversion right here to short to New York midnight open. We got new week opening gap right here. And then not sure about equilibrium of previous range because it's like 300 points lower and it's Monday, but it's short week, so we never know, right? We'll see. We will see. Someone asked me if you can see retracement to back to Friday equilibrium Friday range. Ideally, yes, but I'm not ready to say I'm going to short right at the open. I don't know yet. You're just $60 away from Python account. Okay. I wish you good luck. So I remember when I was like $2 away from, it was like a couple of years ago. I was like $2 away from Python like 50K account and I blew this. That's funny, right? I would say the hardest part in this evaluations when you like a couple of dollars away. That's so hard. You missed me on Friday because we have no power in our neighborhood. Something happened. I have no idea, and they was able to fix this only by 4 p.m. So I didn't trade at all. But right now, that's fine. And that's fine. As I said, ideally, if I want to short, I would like to wait for 15-minute inversion. Kind of, I'm not ready to trust 1-minute confirmation, honestly. After such huge expansion, especially it was Sunday and Monday before market open. So, not ready to trust 1-minute chart. Maybe 5-minute chart will be enough for me, but not sure about like 1-minute inversion, you know. We'll wait. Pretty much bullish. but we have new week opening gap on both ES and NQ with minor manipulation down. So we will see. We will see. Oh, it's almost 400 people right here and only 50 likes. Come on, guys. Why it's only 50 likes? T-shirt. Oh, that's nice. By the way, that's absolutely amazing T-shirt. Let me show you. I did this. Funny, right? So, okay, we still have 9 more minutes. I'm not going to trade right at this moment because no reason to trade before market open, especially 9 minutes before. Would like to keep my eyes on this high frame equal highs. It will be kind of funny to see if they want to leave this level. And then, for example, reverse. Yeah, we will see. Stop comparing. Who is comparing? What is going on? I missed something. Oh yeah, stop comparing me with Tanya, please. Absolutely two different peoples and two different persons. So like, please, guys, stop it. Absolutely no reason. You asked me to compare the goal, to check the gold, right? Give me 1 second. So I'm going to check CL as well. So because I forgot to make analysis for this. And GC. Oh my God, CL is dropping, gold is dropping right now. Wow. What is going on? Let me check. Still already reached all levels that I could expect to see, as well as gold. Okay. Wow, gold. We have liquidity level at 26.21. It's like another 20 points lower. Looks like it's just left second leg of redistribution on gold on 15-minute chart with formation of 15-minute inversion frame. Let me show you guys. It's my old drawings right here. As we can see, it's pretty much obvious second leg of distribution right here. We got sell side liquidity right here. Here's what's confirmation of this second leg, the distribution right here. Yeah, kind of would like to see maybe lower because yeah, it needs to finish this market maker sell model. Do we have any breakaway gaps? I see this. Okay. Kind of would like to see a move right here first. Maybe it may give us reaction. Would like to keep my eyes on this level, 26.28. But would like to see still lower. In my opinion, this move not done yet. Yeah, we will see. Let's set alert right here. and Q. Okay, basically what we will see. Hello guys, hello. On CL we also reach all my levels. Let's check CL. Maybe we can set some alerts as well. Okay, we just tested this daily inversion. Come on, daily inversion right here. I would say stuck at 50%. Not perfect reaction, not ready to say that's high probability breaker block. Also look at this. We have inside this daily inversion fair value gap, we have 4-hour fair value gap. Still valid fair value gap because we never closed below this. Okay, if it wants to be a continuation higher, for example, if it was panic sell off right here, I would say I would like to consider a reversal if it wants to be reversal from here, from this 4-hour fair value gap. Looks like we kind of stuck at 50% as well. Since this is 4-hour PDRA, I would keep my eyes on 5-minute structure. This means ideally I would like to get 5-minute smart money reversal to play long. But I will be interested in longs only inside this green box, this 4-hour fair value gap. That's pretty much it. Let me open CL on my another screen. So I would like to keep my eyes on nothing wrong with trading CL today, right? What else can I see on 1-hour chart? Let me check something. Pretty much rejection block right here. We got breakaway gap right here. Let's highlight this as well. Yeah, we will see how we can react from this far fair value gap. So back to ES and NQ, I still would like to see potential move right here to this equal highs. So looks so nice, especially if you want to look at 4-hour chart. We can see that we have absolutely no any imbalances right here, as well as on 1-hour chart, and no any fair value gaps. So kind of makes sense to reach at least this equal highs, but honestly don't mind to see even all-time high on ES. Once again, I'm not really interested on an all-time high yet. But on ES, I have 2 key levels, this high time frame equal highs. And did you get haircut? Not really, no. So this is going to be first resistance level for us, then potential move to all-time high. So it's extremely bullish right now. Ideal to take this equal highs, and let's see how we can react from here. The market is going to open in 10 seconds. And yes, on CL, I'm waiting for a twin setup as well. So at least, 5-minute structure, smart money reversal, changing the state of deliveries, and yeah, we can consider potential long on CL. So we will see. Market is open. Trying to react from 50% of this daily fair value gap. You got first buy side liquidity right here. I would say this is minor liquidity level. Not ready to call this major liquidity level. I'm going to switch on 5-minute chart. Looks like trying to reach New York midnight open, but just kind of makes sense if it wants to be reversal with 15-minute inversion or 5-minute smart money reversal. Would like to see a new week opening gap. Not really interested in New York midnight open at this point. Let's see if you can get retracement, or just, I hope it's not going to just drop all the way down to Friday high. Because if 5-minute smart money reversal can be confirmed, I don't mind to short, obviously, to Friday high. Because Friday high and previous week high level, if you want to open RTA chart, never were taken, right? So at least RTA retest of these levels kind of makes sense. So we will see. We will see. We run this New York midnight open, yes, still above this level. This means, yes, we maybe we'll try to take New York midnight open. So ideally, I would like to see potential retracement back up to premium. And we still have 2 minutes. So if market wants to hold this level, I guess we can try to short New York midnight open first. So let's see. I'm not in rush, so it's Monday, it's short week, so I guess I will wait for hyperability stops only. So I like this retracement right here to this level ideally. So okay, patience, Sasha, patience. Let me open ES chart, because most likely I'm going to trade ES today. We just retrace to this inversion on 5-minute chart. Solid reaction from New York midnight open on NQ. My concern, I guess, will be that ES failed to take this level. So let's see. Most likely I'm going to trade ES, not NQ, so we will see. Let me switch on 1-minute chart. I'm not in trade, so obviously just waiting for confirmation. Nothing yet for me to take. But once again, most likely I will trade. I'm sorry, guys. Yes, not in Q. Already above OT. Not nice, but still did not exist buy side liquidity. So I would say still fine. CL. Waiting for a twin setup on CL. Maybe we will trade CL. The trace to this inversion, this OBM. No SMT yet. I mean, at this highs. Nothing to take yet. Okay, they decided to take this height from equal highs. That's... we did not take this, right? Oh, you cannot see this. Oops. You cannot see this. Come on. Another equal highs. Well, continue waiting. So now we have SMT between ES and NQ, where ES failed to take this equal highs. Failed. That's my concern, but that's fine. If, for example, they want to leave these equal highs for some reason, then just drop to New York midnight open kind of doesn't make sense in my opinion. To leave important liquidity levels to simply retrace to New York midnight open. Kind of doesn't make sense. This SMT doesn't make sense because ES failed to take high time frame equal highs. Okay. Okay, continue waiting here. Anyway. I'm going to switch on 1 minute chart right now. I'd like to highlight OT of this week. 50% taken. I don't need 79 by the way. Only this. Nice reaction from 50%, but only concerns that it failed to take this high time from equal highs. You're trying to short, yes. Let me zoom in. It failed, right? What's the high of this candle? No way, are you serious? That's ridiculous. You know, I mentally cannot short this. Because that's equal, this SMT absolutely doesn't make sense without taking this. Oh, we just took this, okay. At least high time frame equal highs taken. Now maybe this SMT starts to make sense. But anyway. I would say ES moving nice right now. I cannot say same for NQ, but ES was nice. Because this high time frame equal highs was nice, and I even can explain why, because we don't have any imbalances right here. Every single part is balanced, and for our chart as well. So if, for example, we don't have any imbalances, kind of makes sense to run liquidity level, right? And we just run liquidity levels. First liquidity level. This buy stops, I don't really need this. Just interesting. Yeah, just a trace from this OT, by the way. Nice. But in my opinion, ES stronger right now. That's why I would like to keep my eyes on ES and possibly trade this. But right now, in my opinion, kind of risky to trade something. Just need to see any setup. For example, if it wants to be reversal from this high time frame equal highs, we need to get change in the state of derivative at least. But nothing. If no reaction from this equal highs, you will take all-time high most likely. Also explained why already in the beginning of the stream. Can explain again. So once again, ignoring this price action. So after Sunday open, we saw that NQ were NQ was inside near equilibrium discount, while ES was already in deep premium. So at least I would like to anticipate to move to this rejection block right here or take this all-time high level. And I'm not interested in all-time high on NQ at this moment, but I'm interested in some levels near deep premium. Near deep premium, we have this retracement range based on 1 hour manipulation leg. And inside this retracement range, we have liquidity level right here. So if no reaction from equal highs, most likely in Q will try, not in Q, ES will try to take all-time high. Yeah, let's see. I'm going to stay in 5-minute chart. Maybe it may offer us the structure for us, which can be changed in the state of delivery at least. I'm in Q. Let me open MNQ on 1-minute chart. Nice move on CL from this 4-hour fair value gap, but no twins yet, I guess. You said we don't have any red folder news today, but since this is short week, most likely they will be in rush to reach weekly targets. For example, it can be today or tomorrow. If this is a short week and we don't have any high impact news on Monday, most likely we'll get expansion. Anyway, without news. Nice move up. Looking for this retracement area. Can you check 50% of daily rejection block? Can you just give me the price, please? We have bank holiday on Thursday. Kind of expected to get reaction from this equal highs because once again we did not have any imbalances on this leg down. And yeah, it kind of makes sense to at least retrace from this high from equal highs. But once again, we are not going to blindly press sell button because we would like to see something, right? Here is 50% of equilibrium of quarter to daily cycle. Yes, it's super strong right now, trying to move moving higher, but look at NQ. Pretty much slow price action there. You will see. I'm not going to be in a rush because I don't want to take unnecessary losses on Monday. Just on ES, I would like to see retracement. Let me open once again ES. Now I just would like to calculate potential risk. So it's not trade idea yet, but maybe it will be. Kind of would like to see this. Let's see if we can close below this to confirm this setup. If you can confirm this setup with closure below this blue line, you can get change in the state of deliveries, and it's not trade idea yet because we need to get the closure. Then it might be trade idea. I would say something like this. We need to get the closure first. Just need to get the closure once again. Just a trace to this imbalance. I'm not in trade, guys, if you want to ask me, because explained why. Waiting for closure to try to take this, possibly take this short. Not like a big target right here, like 13, 15 points. I'm not in short once again, guys. Oh, you're asking not me? I'm not in short yet. Just would like to see closure right below this level. I mean, I need to see closure, body closure below this blue line to try this. I'm not in trade. No closure yet. No trades yet. Exactly. Be careful, guys. So no reason to take unnecessary losses. Wait for confirmation. Once again, we need to see the. I need to see the body closure below this level to try this. Possibly try this short. Just retrace to this OB, I guess. Okay, looking for potential short setup right now. We got the closure. Let's see if you can get the action right now to enter this trade. Let's see. Not in yet. We just did. Okay, it's trying to detect this OB. Looking for entry. That was, I guess, will be this. Yeah, this liquidity level right here. Ready to consider this as possible liquidity level. What about 5-minute chart? Where is my ES chart? Oh, right here. We have 50 seconds left to inverse 5-minute fair value gap, but still like this. Seconds left to inverse 5-minute potential inversion fair value gap to form this inversion. Confirm this. Break below the sell stops should offer free fall, in my opinion. I hope it's not going to be, this volume imbalance is not going to be support for us. Need to just go lower, below this level. Seven seconds left. Needs to, come on, we got 5-minute inversions. That's nice. I would say we got 5-minute inversion on both ES and NQ. Once we can get close once we can close below the sell stops, it should be free fall. I hope it's going to be solid break below this volume imbalance on 1 minute chart. Not ready to look for any reaction from here. Just would like to see move all the way down to this liquidity level. Like this inversion, honestly, on the 5 minute chart. Once again, no interest in this volume imbalance. Would like to see break below this level to the sell stops. Also solid reaction from how can I show you this? Yay, perfect trade. Easy trade. We got the closure, free fall, how I expect to get. It's time to reverse from my TP one. Oh my god, that's nice. Easy 12 points trade. Yay. Yay, easy trade. How can I show executions? As I said, kind of hard to say what NQ wants to do because it wasn't obvious for me, but on ES, kind of perfect. By the way, look at this reaction. Oh my god, look at this reaction from this 4-hour distribution level right here with retracement to this 1 minute. Oh, why did not take this trade? It was easy on the 15-second chart. Maybe I was blind. On 15-second chart. Because I have open chart, no, 15-second chart on my upper screen. Well. Happy we did not get any reaction exactly how I anticipated to get. We got the closure below this level. I started looking for short, and I said that I'm about to enter this short trade. Okay, we prepared the trade before this happened, and we traded. Nice. On NQ, not going to lie, I traded ES because I didn't know what NQ wants to do, honestly. Especially once 5-minute inversion for a while gap was confirmed. I would say it was nice. But not on NQ. On NQ, I didn't know like where market wants to go. But maybe ES wants to go. Oh, by the way, maybe ES wants to go to New York midnight open. But once again, I wasn't sure about target. Okay, let's see. Would like to see maybe even lower. Just it trace back to this from this 4-hour distribution level. Did it trace to this 4-hour open? Looking on NQ already ran below New York midnight open and London low, while yes, still above New York midnight open and London low as well. So kind of would like to see lower still, but where? Let me see. Guys, I'm going to read the chat a little bit later, okay? I'm looking for another potential move. Okay, I'm going to read the chat a little bit later, okay? Just ask me questions a little bit early, later, okay? Because let's focus right now. Yes, it traced back down to 15-minute change in the state of 15-minute change in the state of delivery and 4-hour open, and on 1-minute chart. Okay, I guess I want to wait for 10 a.m. To trade potential silver bullet setup. Yeah, it's still 3 minutes left. I will wait for, yeah, silver bullet setup. I guess no reason right now. Just would like to see where 10 a.m. candle, 1-hour candle and 4-hour candle can close. Let's see. We'll wait. Waiting for silver bullet setup. Just kind of makes sense to continue going down. Let's see, let me switch on the MQ chart. Okay, switching on MQ chart. So let's see. Waiting for silver bullet setup. Twenty seconds left. Maybe it's going to be continuation lower because would like to see New York. I would like to see Friday high, retest Friday high on NQ, and would like to see move below New York midnight open and London low on ES. Let's see. Maybe we can take equilibrium of Friday range. Let's see. Maybe silver bullet will be for short. We will try to take. Ideally to have 1 minute inversion somewhere right here, or with the retracement up and then inversion, 1 minute inversion, and to trade silver bullet, right? We'll see. Would like to see lower, honestly. Would like to see, not going to lie, would like to see right here. And if it may create inversion, unfortunately, we don't have any inversion, but maybe it may create inversion. Let's say it's trying to retrace up. And if it create inversion for a value gap right here on 1 minute chart, ideally would like to try the short with stop loss above liquidity level right here and aim for this. Just kind of hard for me right now to short immediately. But it's going to be so funny because if you may reach equilibrium of Friday range, it's going to be 14 weeks in a row when you retrace back to equilibrium of Friday range. So once again, I will try this short trade if it may create inversion. Yep, that's the plan. If it's just going to drop, I'm going to be disappointed. Let's see. So we just got the RTH test of previous week high. Yes, still above New York midnight open and London low, above New Week opening gap. Maybe Q wants to trace to Friday high. I mean, go to this Friday high, also RTH test. But please, if it may create inversion with the retracement up, that's going to be solid. Because idea something like this. Yeah, New Week opening gap is going to be a solid support for us. But in my opinion, if, for example, market made a trace and create 1 minute inversion, it's going to be silver bullet for me to trade to trade this. If not, then okay. What else do we have? What else do we have? Would like to see yes at New Week opening gap and an attempt to reach equilibrium of Friday range. Let me rename this. One minute inversion. This is only stuff that I'm interested in right now. If nothing, then okay. Retrace to London low. Just the test of this level. Once again, in order to trade this short, all I need is just inversion for a while gap. If no inversion, I'm just going to miss this trade. I would say I'm not even going to be disappointed if I'm going to miss this trade. Yes, still above New York midnight open and London low. What about yes? I would say yes, same plan. Yeah, same plan for yes, I would say. But even on yes, we don't have any inversion. Anyway, we got new 4-hour candle and a 1-hour candle. Obviously, I would like to wait for some sort of manipulation, right? Okay, let's see. Let me delete this. Because if it may create inversion, then it's going to be solid. If no inversion, then no trades. Okay, let's see. I like this retracement up from the after we got retest of previous week high level. Basically, we got RTH retest of previous week high level, but we never got this move on ES, right? What happened on ES? Nothing significant, I would say. Just as I said, all I need inversion. That's going to be potential silver bullet idea. It's not straight idea yet because we didn't have inversion, right? Let me open 1-hour chart. Yeah, I need to see Friday high. We just tested 50% of this new week opening gap. Okay. I'm not in a rush, so just need to get inversion. We don't have any imbalances, right? Okay, nothing yet. Come on, not that fast. I'm not on trade, guys. I said I'm going to wait for inversion. Oh, no way. That's not fair. I would say something like this one. Yes. Come on, tell me we have inversion. Give me 1 second. Oh my god, that's so small for a value gap. Lots of questions. I'm waiting for setup on NQ, that's right, not on ES. Because with this inversion, obviously I need to enter right here, but stop loss already big for this trade. I'm not on this trade. We got New York midnight open on yes. I'm not on this trade, guys. How many contracts at 5 micros? But this is what I was looking for, honestly. We got inversion, absolutely ugly inversion in my opinion. Okay. Such a nice trade in my opinion. London low is about to be taken. Not fair. I miss this trade. Not really miss this trade. I saw this inversion. We got the actually. Okay, let's forward this. Just interesting what will happen. That's kind of my setup that I usually trade. Let's forward this. Yeah, let's forward this. Needs to take Friday high. London low never was taken. See this? We just got we just touched this level. Waiting for a weekly open retest, maybe even lower. But now, no, like this. What does that line means? Yeah, guys, let's forward test this equilibrium of Friday range. If so, we call this trade, and it's kind of my setup because usually I trade this, but I saw this inversion too late. Who said don't trade Monday? Monday was pretty much obvious. Price action. We got Friday high test. So basically my first key level taken on NQ. We got Friday high RTH test. Yeah, let's see, guys. Let's forward this in Q because I really want to see equilibrium Friday edge taken. Come on, less than 100 points away. Just drop to this level. Please. Guys, be careful with top step X. It's lagging again. Nothing wrong with me, with my top step accounts. Fail to take weekly open looks like. Let's see. See how we just feel this new week opening gap right here, how nice it is. We got RTH test of this level. Still would like to see equilibrium of previous range, but once again, let's see how it's going to play. So the action from Friday high and weekly open, but once again, we never took this level yet. We just touched this level, that's it. Just let's see. Friday high is going to be a strong support, I guess. I don't need this anymore. And I'm going to leave New York midnight open. And yes, for some reason, it's a little bit easier to read the price action today. 5-minute chart. Gap still open, right? Only yes. Let's highlight 50% of this new week opening gap. Right. Like this. 50%. 50% it's like 6K, right? 6K is institutional level. So at least I would like to see an attempt to reach 50% of this new week opening gap on ES. Let's see what it's trying to do right now. Maybe it wants to just give us reaction from weekly open, but once again, this level never was taken yet. We will see. So we will see. Even with this move down, I expect to get like at least 1 tick below weekly open. Oh, you cannot see. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. So I said it is 50% of this new week opening gap right here. 50%, as you can see, almost 6K. 6K is institutional level. So maybe it wants to retrace just up, and maybe I would say I'm not interested in Friday high yet, but I'm interested in 50% of this new week opening gap. See, it failed to take this weekly open. When I'm trying to show if I... Yeah, I'm just trying to show my executions window. Maybe I need to move it somewhere because you cannot see my ES chart because of this. No, not in trade. Because I don't know where I need to enter on ES, honestly, right now. Maybe it may offer move right here. Okay, I'm going to give it like next 12 minutes to reach this 50% of new week opening gap because 1030 can be potential yeah, quarterly shift. Yeah, next 12 minutes. The test of New York midnight open once again, as we can see, yes, is above New York midnight open level, while in Q is below this already. Yeah, needs to see strong break below New York midnight open on ES to see another move lower. I'm not going to say it's going to be. Don't do it, Lumia. What do you mean? I'm forward testing this short trade on NQ right now. Just would like to see an attempt to reach 50% of new week opening gap on ES and equilibrium Friday range on NQ. It still looks okay, so we will see. Yeah, NQ and ES. I'm going to give you like next 11 minutes to drop. If not, then no trades today anymore. We are not friends today anymore. Just drop it. That's it. 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. I'm going to give it 10 minutes. Just drop it. Once again, on yes, I would say I need to see strong break below New York midnight open, and at this point, maybe it's going to be quick drop. I cannot see strong break below New York midnight open yet with this leg down, with this last leg down right here. Need to see a strong break. Yeah, let's see. $15-minute already closed below New York midnight open, right? Let me see. Would like to test something. And then 2-minute chart. Oh yeah, we got the closure below New York midnight open. By the way, it's still okay, I guess. We got the closure below New York midnight open on 15-minute chart. We got retracement back to 2-minute bearish fair value gap. Exactly what I explained in my intraday bias video. Then it was trying to give us a move down to Friday high, but once again, Friday high is nice, but ideally to take equilibrium of Friday range. But once again, guys, I'm not on this trade, I'm just forward as this. Kind of missed original entry, so. Just interesting what will happen. Then 30 usually is quarterly shift, so we may see some volatility for some reason at that time. I like London low taken on both ES and NQ. What about CL? CL failed to offer a twin setup. What about gold? Gold is about to reach our level right here. 26.28. Pretty close, like 4 points away. Ideally to see this move down next 7 minutes on ES. Kind of annoying that it's stuck at this New York midnight open level. I don't like it, so pretty much consolidation around this level usually like it's pretty much hard to trade it. I even cannot frame the trade right now around this level. Yeah, I would say I'm going to wait for the strong break below New York midnight open. This should offer this free fall to 50% of this new week opening gap. Just I don't understand why it's trying to consolidate right now. 1024. A reason for this? You don't see the reason. Kind of stuck at this. It's daily. Let me check this on 15-minute chart. Give me 1 second. Trying to react from daily open and for our manipulation level right here. So, for example, if it wants to continue going down, where market can go? I would say back to this 4-hour open. Kind of cannot see the real reason to go higher yet without taking new week opening gap. And I would say I'm looking for psychological level, which is 50%. So we will see. So I'm not in a rush. It is 4-hour open. Yeah, let me delete this level for now. Since it's pretty much sweep, if you want to open 5-minute chart, it's pretty much Nothing is going on around New York midnight open. And sweeps on 1 minute chart. If market wants to retrace first, I would look for potential move to this level. So basically for our open, we got flat candle right here, which can be also liquidity level, right? I cannot see higher targets yet. I like this reaction from this high from equal highs. That's it. So just once again, just please. I need strong break below New York midnight open to see this move down. That's it. No CL, still nothing to trade. You got minor manipulation up and then distribution lower based on 1 hour candle. Yeah, I'm waiting for a yes right now. Unfortunately, I cannot once again frame the trade for a yes right now because kind of stuck at New York midnight open. So no reason for me to short right now. So because market can actually trace to this, as you can see, flat candle on 1 minute chart, which can be buy side liquidity level, and this also for our open. So market actually made a trace since it cannot close below New York midnight open even on 1 minute chart. It made a trace to this for our open first. Or I need to see strong break below this level, then move down right here. That's all I wait right now. I'm not this short on NQ. I'm just trying to forward test this because I missed a regional entry. Just trying to forward test because I anticipate to get ES at 50% of new week opening gap. And on NQ, at this point, we actually can drop to equilibrium Friday range. That's my scenario right now. 10:28, so let's see what will happen at 10:30. You entered at the bearish candle based on 1 hour OB. On NQ? Well, okay. I would say we got immediate reaction from this OB, right? Once again, I'm not on this trade on NQ. I'm just trying to forward test this. Trying to retrace to this for our open. This pink line is for our manipulation level. With this manipulation level, can we see any inversions? Only 1 minute inversion. So let's see. It's 10:30, so let's see how this quarterly shift will play. You said you are in. I said, I guess, 5 times that I'm forward as this. So we got the test of this 4-hour open right here. Total reaction from this 4-hour open. But still nothing for me to trade, I guess. Still cannot frame setup right now around ES. We'll see. So I would say on ES, maybe scalp will be valid below New York midnight open only. I mean, I need to see a strong break below this level. So once again, 10:30, we anticipate to get quarterly shift, right? Yeah, just would like to see equilibrium of Friday range taken. That's pretty much it. That's why I'm just trying to forward as this. With this move up on NQ, it just traced to this. This is inversion for volume gap. That's orange box right here. I guess it's hard to see, right? Let's do like this. It looks like a line. So this is small 1 minute inversion for value gap. But once again, it's going to be like 14 weeks in a row if we may reach equilibrium of Friday range. Let's see. Once again, in yes, it traced back down to New York midnight open. Just once again, just one solid break below this level should deliver to 50% of new week opening gap. In my opinion, it should be free fall. Right? I like this break below New York midnight open. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, 9 seconds left. I like this break below this level already, so let's see where we can close. I hope it's going to be closure below New York midnight. No! Look at this week. The trace back down to Friday high right here. Not strong closure, unfortunately. Hate it. Come on, NQ, yeah, let's take this equilibrium Friday range. It's so boring to wait already. NQ, hello, just go lower. Yes, it could be absolutely amazing strong break, but for some reason decided to leave this huge week. That's not fair. The chase back down to New York midnight open. Yeah, just trap, come on. Yes, there is a put magnet icon right here. It's like no way you cannot drop right there. It's going to be ridiculous. It's going to be ridiculous. Oh my god, come on, just drop right here. I can even like duplicate this. Do you want this? What about the magnets? It's even stronger right now. Look at this. Just drop right here. Come on, Dasha, what's wrong with you, with your eyes? Looks good. Let's see. More magnets. Yeah, usually I put 7 magnets, by the way. Okay, 3 is enough. Come on, yes, just 50% of new week opening gap. I'm not asking for more. Just 50% of this new week opening gap. Okay, I'm going to let you drop to 6K. Okay, not like 99.75, 6,000, that's it. 6K, and you can do whatever you want after this. That's it. I'm going to give it like one seek room right here. Just drop to the straight line. That's it. Yes, hello. We already have 3 magnets. I can even add more. Is this? Just not even asking for 50% already, like 6K. You want to see equilibrium of previous range. I also would like to see this, especially on NQ. But on ES, I'm going to find conservative target, which can be 50% of new week opening gap. Usually Monday not that perfect, but when we see huge expansion on when we have short week, we actually can anticipate expansion on Monday and Tuesday. Yes, we have 6 magnets already. Just teach this level. Then do whatever you want. I'm not in shade, guys. I'm just forward as this trade right now on NQ. Since like the last 25 minutes. It's 50%, that's it. Yeah, that's funny. It's so annoying when you expect to get like obvious move down, and at this moment it kind of looks like obvious move down, and it's trying to consolidate. Look at ES. Definitely stuck at this consolidation at New York midnight open level. Oh my god. Special effect magnets. By the way, we usually call this like power of magnets. It's our secret setup. Secret strategy. And Q also stuck at the bottom of new week opening gap, as we can see right now. Doesn't want to break it at all. Doesn't even want to close below this new week opening gap on 15-minute chart. Yeah, if everyone wants to see lower, let's full port longs, right? I'm not in this trade once again. Oh my god. I'm just trying to forward this short on NQ. Come on, guys, let's let's have some fun. Let's put lots of likes right now. Hit like button right here for our, and let's test our power of magnet strategy. Right, guys? More likes, more chances to reach 50% of new week opening gap. Come on, market makers watching our our stream on YouTube, right? I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Don't take it too serious, right? When you put magnets in your chart, just know it's gonna work exactly. We call this as power of magnets. At least 10. No, 6, 7 is enough. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I stream almost every single day. So don't forget to subscribe. Interesting how NQ stuck at bottom of new week opening gap. But on 15-minute chart, it looks like only like sweep below this level. If you want to check this 15-minute chart right here, see? Friday high sweep. That's pretty much it. But on ES, we still did nothing. That's my concern. What it's trying to do right now. Could you explain entry on ES? Actually, I explained this. You can rewatch live stream. So we actually framed this trade before, like 5 minutes before it happened. So you can watch after stream. $10.42. So I would say 10.30 quarterly shift did nothing so far. It just like minor move down from 4-hour open on ES. Still waiting for the strong break below New York midnight open. We reach 4 standard deviation based on this 1-minute manipulation leg. We got this internal sweep on 15-minute chart. So waiting for 15-minute candle closure, I guess. Yeah, let's see. Let me switch on NQ. Yeah, much better. Because I don't have any drawings right there. So if it wants to be internal sweep like this, we may get a little bit higher retracement than I expect to get. For example, oh, that's 15-minute chart. I'm looking for a 1-hour chart right now. Yeah, for example, back to daily manipulation level. So waiting for the closure right here. On 15-minute chart, because we got internal sweep so far. Because if it wants to be, I don't know where 15-minute candle can close yet. So we will see. But maybe if it wants to be sweep, it may retrace back up right here. We got pretty solid measuring gap right here. Measuring gap, by the way, let's measure from here all the way down to here, to the bottom of this fair value gap, measuring gap. Oh my god, look at this reaction, by the way, that's interesting. If I want to consider this, let me hide this and this. Look at this move right here. So from the top all the way down to this bottom of this daily fair 1-minute fair value gap. So I usually call this as measuring gap. So measuring gap basically fair value gap at the 50% of implied hidden range. We're not out trade yet. So we got measuring gap right here. So once again, fair value gap at the 50% of implied range that we anticipate to get. And measure, we want to measure from the top to the bottom of this fair value gap, and we want to find one standard deviation projection, basically same measure and move right here. is going to be here. We are going to call this measured move, right? And here we go. Look how perfect reaction from this measuring gap projection. Interesting. Lines up also with bottom of new week opening gap. We're not out of trade yet. Because 5-minute and hourly still suggests slightly lower. It's just 15-minute sweep so far. I don't like this change in the state of delivery. That's why I'm not ready to say it's long setup right here. See this closure? It's not perfect closure to consider this as change in the state of delivery or OB, right? So we'll see. In my opinion, this move lower still valid. I cannot see once again strong change in the state of delivery right here yet. Looks like ESD trades back down to New York midnight open. Come on, and yes, are you serious? See this? What is seasonality wise? It's a hard question for me because it was election year. It was kind of not perfect year to anticipate bias for example, next 3 months. It was pretty much bullish all year. So usually I consider measuring gap valid. For example, if it unfilled fair value gap, or if we got retracement back up to this fair value gap, but still below 50% of this fair value gap. For me, in my opinion, it's still valid measuring gap. So for example, if price wants to retrace, for example, right here and continue going down, for example, to this measuring gap projection, it's still valid because it's still below 50% of this fair value gap. It's just my opinion about this. Okay, let's highlight this fair value gap right now. Let's see if it wants to be inversion. Yes, still trying to respect New York midnight open level. That's hard. It's pretty much hard for me to frame a short on ES right now. Lots of sweep of this level so far. Anyway, let's see how we react from this fair value gap. Because so far, as I said before, we got this internal sweep right here. And at this point, we want to aim for internal liquidity level. For example, it can be this for a value gap, in my opinion. But I cannot blind long right here because no any confirmation for this yet. Just this sweep, that's pretty much it. All I need to see right now is ES is offering strong break below New York midnight open and then free fall to 50% of new week opening gap. At this point, yes, NQ will drop to equilibrium of, oh, I don't have it, equilibrium of Friday range. That's it. Come on, yes, just break it finally. We have 6 magnets at 50% of new week opening gap. 6. That's a lot. Trust me. Just drop below New York midnight open, please. Once again, it trades back down to New York midnight open. Are you serious? It's a joke. Oh, Jesus, like, annoying. What is this? What is this? Come on, yes, just 50%. That's going to be power of rainbow magnets. That's even stronger setup. If it's, guys, if you can see rainbow colors, especially if it's like rainbow magnets, it's going to be like 101% win rate with this strategy. We must just drop to 50% of this new week opening gap at this point. Come on, yes. Just drop. It's okay, I'm going to give it a time. I'm going to stay in 1 minute chart right now because I'm waiting for the strong break below New York midnight open once again. Five-minute chart. Yes, trying to respect bearish 5-minute inversion for a value gap. Also, yes, trying to respect bearish 15-minute inversion for a value gap. And I'm not ready to give up, so it still kind of makes sense to drop, even with SMT, I guess. So we will see. Just need one 1-minute candle like this, then I'm happy. Just offer a candle like this. Maybe not that big, but something like this. Then I'm happy. This is what I call strong break below New York midnight open. To aim for 50% then. Honestly, we just trying to forward this short on NQ, and this short trade only based, in my opinion, based on ES analysis, because on ES still kind of makes sense to go lower. Oh my god, I like it. Come on, just close. Give me strong closure and just drop to 50%. I was waiting for this like last 40 minutes. Let it drop. So it's like power of magnets, power of rainbow magnets. No, don't offer huge wick, please. Just candle like I drew before. This candle, please. Yeah. Why it's trying to just offer every single time when we see strong break, looks like strong break below New York with an open and just like huge wick. Are you serious? This is annoying. It's just rainbow magnets. Okay, gold reach our target. Perfect. Amazing. It was such a nice drop at the very beginning of once market opened, and now it just consolidated. No way. How is my kids? Absolutely amazing. Thank you for asking. It's like Thanksgiving a break right now, but I have my oldest son is going attending kindergarten right now, but he went to VPK class, so actually he went to daycare today. Well, guys, all of you want to do right now. Let's say if Mark ES wants to drop to our rainbow magnets, prepare your keyboard and we are going to type in the chat POW. We call this power of POM, power of magnets. So prepare your keyboard. Once we reach this rainbow magnets, you must, like, it must be caps, okay? And you must write POM. We call this power of magnets. Okay? Now let's pray for this. It's just rainbow color, come on. Prepare your keyboard. I hope we can get it. Now time to pray. I'm kidding, so. It's like 10 points away. 10 points away is like nothing. Come on, just drop finally. Just drop. Let's move it. You probably cannot see this because of my camera. Why it's so slow? Well, PORM, exactly. Power rainbow mark. That's exactly right. London loaded test once again. It's like no way in Cube wants to test Friday high or bottom of new week opening gap and give us reaction. Like it's like no reason already. I look like 18. Oh, that's nice actually. I'm almost 10 years older. Yeah. I'm young forever. So when I was 18, I guess I look like 13, maybe like 10. I feel like. Yes, do something, please. Oh, we took the same traits on the yes. That's nice. I guess only yes was obvious today. Not going to lie, I absolutely. Maybe I'm blind. I didn't see any setup on NQ today. So yeah, I don't know how much time it's going to take to reach 50% of new week opening gap, or at least enter this new week opening gap. Sometimes you just need to survive in this consolidation. Honestly, just I don't know how much time it's going to take. If it's going to like consolidate next 15 minutes, I'm going to, I guess, be done for today. Just, you know what I hate to do? I hate to wait for. I hate to sit inside consolidation. For example, let's say I'm in trade, right? I hate to sit inside consolidation for more than 30 minutes. I was like, no way, come on, Dasha, why you even enter this trade? But I'm not trade. I'm not to trade this. On NQ, I'm just trying to forward this setup. Once again, I'm just trying to forward this setup. I didn't take this short on NQ. And yeah, guys, you even can imagine how happy I am right now that I didn't take this trade, because like how much time already? It's like 1 hour inside this consolidation. Oh my god. Oh my god. But it's okay. Once I finish this team, it's going to drop. It's like classic. Especially once I turn off my computer, it's going to be easy short stop. This always happens with me. I'm from Belarus. I'm not from Ukraine. I'm not from Russia. I'm from Belarus. But yeah, my first language is Russian. Yeah, from Minsk. Exactly. And I took one trade today on a yes, this trade. That's it. I trade ICT from 2021. I want to go to Belarus as well. Because I was last time when I was there, it was like 8 years ago. Um, all now I want to see is drop on ES. Even this potential short idea was based on ES, because on ES I wanted to see 50% of this new week opening gap. Maybe, maybe Friday high, because Friday high lines up with bottom of this new week opening gap, but all I want to see right now 50%. Just trying to find psychological levels, because for some reason ES absolutely in love with psychological levels. For example, 50%, 75%, 25%, as well as, by the way, SPX with RTH gap. If you trade SPX, you can trade just RTH gaps. For example, the action from 25%, from 75%, from 50%. Just try to trade these quadrants. Even when I use standard deviations on ES, I prefer to use like 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation, 4 standard deviation. I don't like to use like 2.5, 1.5. If you're trying to find conservative targets when you use, for example, manipulation, like 1 standard deviation on ES is usually like 99% of the time we will hit this level. Sometimes it's going to be like huge leg down, for example, this 1 standard deviation. Sometimes it's like scalp, but still. Come on, yes, you were so close. Just break Sunday open, weekly open, and 50%. Then do whatever you want. It's time already. It's like 11:10, almost 11:10. Come on, no way you're going to consolidate for another 1 hour. It's like no way we're already inside consolidation for more than 1 hour. Because once again, 50% is going to be conservative target. Solid break below this level is going to be absolutely like quick, super quick move to Friday high, to bottom of this new week opening gap. By the way, it's still like how many points? Like almost 7 points straight can be below 50%. Again, retrace back up. Yes, so lazy, but if you want to look at the overall picture, yes looks even better than NQ today. Like I'm going to set a lot right here. We should hit it. Not going to trade Thursday because bank holiday, and I'm not going to trade Friday. I'm going to trade tomorrow and on Wednesday, most likely. Back to New York midnight open on ES. For example, if I want to long on NQ if it wants to validate my idea with equilibrium of Friday range today, I'm going to look for long above New York midnight open only. Because this consolidation so far right below this level. As long as we below New York midnight open, I'm not ready to invalidate possible move down to equilibrium of previous range, Friday range. But kind of hard to watch this price action so far. Yeah. Hard consolidation. But once again, in order to invalidate this pattern, this short, in my opinion, we must break above New York midnight open. I'm not in this short trade on NQ. I did not take the short because I missed original entry. And yeah. Oh, no, as you can see, execution zone right here. So I did not take this short trade on NQ. Only short on ES, that's it. But I would say it's not even like, if I want to, for example, short from this inversion for a bar gap, it's not even 2-hour trade right here. I took only one trade, and this trade was on ES, on an ES. I took this on ES, it's not micro. It's just regular ES. I took this trade. Oh, this trade on ES. Right here, and this trade is right here. That's it. I did not take the short on NQ. And I'm so happy I did not take the short trade on NQ because I could stuck inside this consolidation. And actually, I could stuck inside this at 50% of this consolidation. So yes, it traced back up to New York midnight open. I'm going to steam next 5 minutes. If nothing's going to happen, done. Not going to even look at charts next 1 hour. Maybe until 1:30 p.m. But most likely PM is going to be boring. So we will see. Ideally, I still would like to keep my eyes on this 50% of new week opening gap, and invalidation, I guess, will be once both ES and NQ break above New York midnight open. Then, yeah, possible invalidation of my idea with 50%. Then power of magnets is going to fail today, which is ridiculous. Because it had like 101% win rate. Like, no way it's going to fail. Disappointed ES with you, especially last almost 2 hours. 90 minutes, okay. Exactly, power of magnets. It's like power of magnets. Once again, 101% win rate. No way it's going to fail. It's our secret strategy. Just put rainbow magnets at random level, any level you like. It's going to hit. Don't put it at 0 because most likely it's not going to hit, but like a nearest target, nearest levels. We'll see. I'm going to sit here next 3 minutes. If nothing's going to happen, that's it. It hurt my eyes. Yeah, ES is much better today than NQ, honestly. It was kind of obvious from the very beginning. That's why I said I'm going to trade ES, not NQ. Yeah, exactly. So NQ detested Friday high, which Friday high is bottom of new week opening gap. So yeah, kind of stuck there. But once again, as long as not ES, NQ below New York midnight open, we still would like to see lower. Most likely, I will try to frame my new long setup above New York midnight open on NQ. I'm not going to be in a rush, so I'm not this short trade once again. I'm just trying to forward as this. That's MNQ, right? MNQ. Yeah, I'm not on this short trade. I'm just decided to forward test how we react from this inversion fair value gap, and after we got the closure below New York midnight open on 15-minute chart. We will see. As well as on ES, we need to see something around New York midnight open. Boring. Too slow. One hour chart. By the way, I would say in both ES and NQ, it offered bearish 1 hour order block. Where did it trace to this level? We don't have any imbalances in 5-minute chart. I mean, bearish fair value gaps. Only in premium, somewhere right here. Would like to highlight this. See if we don't have any imbalances right here. Oops. Too dark, right? Here's 4-hour open, so also liquidity level so far. We'll see. Too close to New York midnight open, so let's see if it wants to be, for example, manipulation. This means we will get sweep only, or it's going to be strong break above this level, so most likely we will go right here. I'm not in this short trade. I already said that many times. I only forward test this trade. I took short on ES only. This short. I did not take this trade. I'm not in this trade on NQ. Just trying to forward test this. I was trying to forward test idea that we close below New York midnight open on 15-minute chart. Then retracement up from previous week high level, inversion fair value gap formation, and then move lower. We got Friday high first, so our first target. Actually TP number 1, and TP number 2 is going to be equilibrium of previous range. That's it. And only yes, we would like to see this. And we would like to see this as long as we below New York midnight open on NQ. That is idea. That's our idea. Actually, you're just trying to find, you're just trying to follow your plan and your strategy. For me, it's not that hard to watch and just not trade this. Because as I said many times, it's not hard to understand where market needs to go, but it's hard to execute this, right? So you don't need to press every single time, but for example, buy or sell button because you anticipate to see something. If no setup, no trades. Now just why I'm sitting in this team, because I still would like to see 50% of new week opening gap because on yes, because it was original target right here. And this potential short setup was based on yes only, not just because we got the closure below New York midnight open, because I saw on yes we still can go lower. But right now, what makes sense for me is just see how we react from New York midnight open, not from like how we react from liquidity levels, but how we react from New York midnight open. And yes, it's trying to consolidate around this level from 10:16 to, yeah, it's like more than 1 hour. Right here we got, it's 1 minute chart, right? Right here we got, in my opinion, it looked like strong closure, but once I saw this week, I was like, well, it's not strong closure. Then we finally dropped below this level, but we never got strong break below this level. So as I showed you before, I want to see like huge down close candle. Not huge, but small wicks, big body. Do you trade London session? Yeah, when I sleep, I prefer to trade London session. Yeah, easy trades. I'm kidding, guys. I don't trade London because I sleep at this time. So guys, I guess we can be done for today. I'm not going to sit inside this consolidation because I don't know how much time it's going to consolidate. So I don't know if it wants to break New York midnight open or just sweep this level, because break means potential reversal to upside. But on ES, I cannot see any signs of reversal yet because we're just trying to consolidate this. I'm going to disconnect all my accounts right now, and I'm going to close top step X. Yeah. It's already almost lunch, so I prefer to not trade after 11. See, guys, I closed my accounts. See, it's going to drop right now. It's classic. Trust me, it's classic. Every single time, for example, when I say like, I'm done for today, when I finish this team, it's going to do something. It's going to be expansion. In any side. I don't care, but it's going to be expansion. See, I just close my top step X. See, it just offered the week right here. Some sort of expansion starting right here. In my opinion, best setups, especially low or high of the day, usually forms between 10 and 11. To be more specific, between 9:45 and 11 a.m. So this means best setups usually occurs before 11 a.m. After 11, of course, we have setups, we have high probability setups, but I usually prefer to stay away. Just close the platform. Time to do something. Market makers, I'm ready. I closed everything closed. Time to drop. It's classic picture. Well, guys, done. I already closed everything, so I'm not going to sit here and wait for something to happen, okay? Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. I hope tomorrow is going to be nice as well, especially before 10. Yeah. No reason to trade right now, something. Yeah. Especially it's not worth it, in my opinion. So yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Maybe even early, like 9:10 a.m. Yeah, done. See you guys. Bye bye.